If you're having trouble unlocking your Renault and when you start up you're getting the Keycard battery low, this is how to change it. So here we've got the Keycard. Now, if it'll focus, you can just see there's a little button there on the edge. So what we're going to do, I'm going to press that, and at the same time just apply a little bit of pressure to this, and that releases the key blade. Take the key blade out and it leaves you with the battery compartment. A little bit of pressure, as you can see there, there's a little bit of a lip, a little bit of pressure on that lip, lift up, and that exposes your battery. There's your battery, CR2032, and this bit's a little bit fiddly. This is where I wish I hadn't cut my nails last night. Pop the battery out. In all the best videos, here's one I prepared earlier. Pop that in. Then line that back up. Click. Pop your key blade back in. And that's your battery changed. Back in the car, just lock it and then unlock it. That way you told the car that that's working again, and then start up and we should get a big OK message. There we go, big OK, no battery message. That's it, that's done. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.